So my husband and I moved out to Texas in January of 2017. We did it because I wanted to be an artist. I was making good money in my career and I just didn't want to do it anymore. I couldn't do it anymore. My husband was so sweet and so supportive, and we were so broke. We are here, Seamus, Myra, and I. We are here. It's Monday Night Live, and we are here. I said, meet me in the bedroom, baby. I am going to take this bedroom from blah, 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 boring to ooh la la luscious. It's going to be very fancy. Boudoir. Like a boudoir. Delight said, don't put me on camera. He said, no camera for me. My house is a mess, probably. So if you see it, shut your eyes. There's Delight. What? It was hard. We had no money. We're talking the bank calling saying you have $10 in the bank, no money.
I used DIY clay-based paint for this low-budget makeover. Myra and I started with kissing booths and Hey Sailor to mix together to create a beautiful berry color to start with our projects. We grabbed blankets and pillows and side tables to add this lusciousness to my room. I poured the paint in a pot of warm water, mixed it up, and just put the pillowcases and the blankets in. While I was doing that, Myra got started on the table. Because the paint is water and clay based and the pigments are so rich, it creates a beautiful dye, making it easy to transform any natural fibers in your home. When Myra was finished painting the table, I added a stamp from Iron Orchid Designs. The pattern is a script letter. Then I got a little crazy and I started doing a little splatter painting because you know what? I love layers and layers and layers. It creates a lovely French boudoir type of feel. I just couldn't stop there. Then I had to reach for my golden ticket. Golden ticket is a lovely gold patina. No French boudoir is complete without gold patina.
Is that fun, you guys? See all the detail? And that was just. So one day, a year later, January 2018, my husband calls and he says he has news. So I'm excited. He's gonna get a raise. He's gonna get a new job.
For the next project, I used the berry color that Myra and I had mixed together earlier. Then I added cowgirl coral and petticoat pink. I took a lampshade and I painted loose stripes all the way around it. And then I used lots of water and sprayed and sprayed and sprayed until I got a nice, lovely watercolor effect.
bad. He had a big cut in his salary. I didn't know what to do. I told him, I think I need to go get a job. He told me, no way. That's not why we moved out here. So on Valentine's Day in 2018, February 14th, 2018, we had zero money. We used to go out to dinner and have wine and a great dinner, romance and all of that. We had zero money. So he was coming home from work. We had already decided we're not doing anything for Valentine's Day. We can't. But I wanted to make it special for him. So I look through the cabinets and I find an old bottle of champagne. It was way up there on the top in the corner. We don't drink champagne, but it was there, not opened ever. And so I put it in the refrigerator, got it all chilled. I found frozen shrimp in the freezer. And I had some cheese and I had some crackers. So I got the champagne. I set it out with some champagne glasses, some cheese and crackers, and that frozen shrimp with some sauce that I made.
It's time to stencil the walls. So back to that berry color that I made with Kissing Booth and Hey Sailor, stenciled on top of the wall that I had painted with a gray color. It's turning out lovely.
Home and he says, Happy Valentine's Day. And I'm just like, yeah, Happy Valentine's Day. And he handed me this. Dear babe, I love you so very much. Happy Valentine's Day. Love, David, XOXO. Delight. So sweet. Why is it so messy? Why is it so messy? And he said, he wrote it with his left hand because he wanted to make it special, like a little boy in grade school. That song, even though we ain't got money, I'm so in love with you, honey. He's my best friend. He's my Valentine, and he is my delight. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody, and I love you, Delight.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe.